Wanna edit awesome videos right on your phone? Here are the top 5 best editing apps every creator should try. First, CapCut. Totally free and super easy to use with trending templates perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. Second, Alight Motion. The master of motion graphics and animation adds smooth transitions, keyframes, and pro-level effects right from your mobile. Third, Filmora. Simple but powerful, ideal for cinematic edits, drag and drop style, even beginners can look like pros. Fourth, KineMaster. The OG editor, layer clips, add voiceovers, color grade, and fine-tune every frame just the way you want. And finally, Vita. Fast, lightweight, and loaded with stylish templates. Perfect for quick, creative edits without any lag. So, which app do you use for editing? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more editing tips.